Yeah, you really have to make sure that you store your force tokens from Team Covenant safe, otherwise people will nick them from you. I'll just show you how I store mine. And then you of course need to use your special Team Covenant pass card. And there you have them. I hope you can see them. I apologize for the bad lighting, but you see I have the shields, damage, the little eyes, the focuses, and all the other gear you need. And Camino Dart 2.